Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to continue to see those partly cloudy skies for the morning hours, and we'll introduce more cloud cover for the afternoon and evening with a chance of rain showers to move into the mid-evening into the late evening hours today. Looking at our current observations as well as our infrared satellite and radar, you see some rain showers starting to move into northern portions and western portions of Maryland, as well as eastern portions of West Virginia. Those will continue to move over the Appalachians and move north of our region for today. And I see our rainfall start to come in for as I mentioned, the evening hours into the early overnight hours. Currently, we do have some onshore flow around 5 to 10 knots. That'll increase for the late morning hours into the 8 to 13 knot range. You continue to see the onshore flow today. That'll keep our temperatures in check for the afternoon hours into the mid upper 50s across the region. I'm going to see more cloud cover across the area as the cloud cover streams in from the west ahead of the rainfall that will impact our area for tonight. Looking at our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we had a backdoor cold front move through last night, switching our winds from a westerly direction to a northeasterly or onshore component. And that allowed for us to see a little bit cooler air mass move in for today. And that'll keep our temperatures, as I mentioned, in the 50s. See a complex frontal system as well as low pressure areas of low pressure over the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. It's going to continue to move north of our region for today. And we'll see that rainfall kind of spill over the region for the evening hours tonight as this frontal boundary gets situated over the Wallops region. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a few clouds at 5,500 feet, a scattered deck at 25,000 feet, winds out of a 50-degree direction, winds at 11 knots, temperature at 47 degrees, and relative humidity at 78%. Looking at our risk chart for a day, we'll have a green chart for the daytime hours. As in regards to precipitation, we'll introduce our rainfall chances as we move into the evening hours. After 20 local looks like the best chance, we have a slight chance from 19 local to 20 local. Going to see that rainfall continue during the early overnight hours, and then we'll just see a chance of lingering drizzle as that frontal boundary and stationary boundary that'll turn into a warm front for Friday. It'll be over the region, giving us a chance of that drizzle for Thursday morning. And with that frontal boundary over the area, cannot rule out low cloudiness over the region, and that low cloudiness looks likely as we move past the 8 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. Our high today will be around 56 degrees. That is if the winds continue to out of the northeast component to the easterly component and are strong enough to keep that marine layer over the area. If it does lighten for a time period, could see the temperatures in the upper 50s here at Wallops, but staying with the mid 50s for a high today. Low this evening will be around 50 degrees and then rising overnight into the mid 50s by dawn tomorrow morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions throughout today, it looks like, until we see that rainfall start to move into the region for the evening hours. And with that rainfall, could see some ceilings down to 200 feet with a broken deck after 2200 local. And then the overnight hours, we'll really see those ceilings reduce possibly down to 500 feet at times with the rain showers in the area. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see broken deck at 500 feet, overcast deck at 1,000 feet, reduced visibilities to 4 statute miles with some mist, and a chance of some drizzle over the area with even lower ceilings and further reduced visibilities. Our tides are normal, and looking into Thursday and Friday, Thursday will be cloudy with abundant low cloudiness and patchy fog, a chance of patchy drizzle as well, although it will be mild with a high of 61 degrees, yellow for precip and orange for ceilings. As I mentioned the last few days, Thursday has been a very difficult day, as in the forecast, still uncertain of whether that frontal boundary will move north of the region during the afternoon hours or on Thursday or not. If it does move north of the area, I easily see temperatures in the upper 60s. Right now, looking at a high of 61 degrees with that frontal boundary remaining over the area. And Thursday night will be cloudy, abundant low cloudiness, and a slight chance of patchy fog and drizzle early. Then we'll have decreasing cloudiness overnight as that frontal boundary moves north of the region. We'll see early low of 47 degrees during the evening, with temperatures rising in the upper 50s overnight. Then for Friday, we'll see unseasonably mild day. Mostly cloudy skies, slight chance of an afternoon rain shower. It'll be breezy by the evening with a cold front moving through, high of 68 degrees and a yellow for our winds. Look like that chance of rain shower will be less than 15% for Friday. And right now looks like the frontal boundary or warm front should move north of the region by Friday morning, but we'll continue to monitor the trends in the models, determining whether that frontal boundary will actually move north or kind of linger over the area. Right now it does look like it will move north on Friday. That'll complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.